Hey guys, let's make moringa powder which has so many health benefits from kids to adults, especially in winter season. So without any delay, we'll start the process. For this, take a pan, add some oil and heat it. Once the oil is heated, add 2 tablespoons of chana dal. Here the measurements is very important, so please note the measurements as shown in the video. I have taken 2 tablespoons of chana dal. Roast for 1 to 2 minutes. Now I am going to add 2 tablespoons of urad dal. Roast it for 1 to 2 minutes. The entire process should be done on low flame. Don't increase the flame, otherwise your dal will get burned and the taste will not be good. So here I have added 2 tablespoons of dhania or coriander seeds. Roast it for 1 minute. Now add 1 tablespoon of jeera or cumin seeds. Roast for 1 minute. Now add some garlic cloves. Here I have added 10 to 12 garlic cloves. Fry for a minute, and finally I have added pinch of asafoetida or hing. Take this mixture in a plate. In the same pan, add the red chilies as per the spiciness you want. Here I am making this powder for my kid, so that's why I am taking less red chilies. So take another white kadai or pan. Now add some oil. Once the oil is heated, add the washed moringa leaves. Now fry until it becomes crispy. This process also should be done on low flame. So here you can see our moringa leaves becomes crispy. So switch off the stove and grind the dal and red chilli mixture initially. So while grinding, add turmeric and salt as per the taste. Salt also I am adding very less because this is for my kid. And pinch of turmeric, grind it to a powder. Now in the same jar, add the roasted moringa leaves and grind it in a pulse mode. As you know, this has so many health benefits. Has iron, it cures iron deficiency. So here is our powder is ready. You can store this for 1 month to 6 months to 1 year. Thank you. Thanks for watching.